muffins. We're gonna take our cake mix here. Just because I don't like the flavor as much, I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. My apple pie filling, gonna cut up my apple bits. Add my egg and my oil. And here's a little bit of a twist. Sour cream. Muffins here, my muffin tins. I'm gonna throw this in the oven and bake them. The second batch of apple muffins, I sprinkled cinnamon and sugar on top. Okay, apple muffins.
Apple muffins.
Give it a try. What do you think?
They smell very much like fall. Yum. Mmm. Mmm.
10 out of 10?
It's amazing. Actually, first thing is, the spice is amazing. But also, then I detected the apple pieces in there. I was like, this is really good. 10 out of 10 for sure.
Yay.
Maybe 11 out of 10.
Ooh.